Good afternoon, classmates. Good afternoon, Our concept is all about the life of the tao. From the time of the Spaniards to the colonial history until this day,
Galing na melody ha, utalo-tala.
each of us represent the different status in our society. And to portray Igorot, we have Jomar and Joyce. Magsasaka, we have Angelique, Paul, Elsa, and Ines. The typical Filipino, we have Rowena and Esther. Student, Flor and Jerome. Spaniard and rich people, Charlie, Jean, and Randy. The poor or beggar, Rafi and Lisa. So here's the group B. Pero sa welcome once again ang group B.
Ligtas eh.
According to the secretariat, which unfortunately you cannot read, this, what you have been paying me, is not tribute, but rent. For the land is not yours, but mine. Ha 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 ha! Mwahahaha!
The Tao paid tribute and said nothing. Is this to be a free man? He became a serf. Still, the Tao held his peace. The rent went up and up. The Tao starved. And this time, at last he spoke. Not in words, but with a rustic instrument, with which he made the land, was his own, the bolo. He transformed it from an instrument of pillage to an instrument of death. And begin, drove away the strangers. Then he heard of his spirit saying,
Now indeed shall I be again the master of this land, once my own was stolen by the trickery of Peter which than mine.
but the Tao was wrong, for the land had another master. This time, not a stranger, but his own countryman, the rich.
Free me from bondage, and I shall prove you false. You accuse me of ignorance, but I am ignorant. For the master, by this profitable to keep me ignorance. Free me from bondage, and shall prove you false.
You accuse me of ignorance, but I haven't done it. Not because I have no will, but because I have no hope. Why? Why? Why can't I labor? If all the breath of my labor goes to pay an incredible debt.
Galing mo, Sisa.
Bondage, and I can bring you back. Give land, give to home, land that beholden to every parent, land that will be free. Give me land of right and starving. Give me land of which children may not die. Sell it to me. Sell it to me at a fair price. As to one who leave yourself to another, and not as to use yourself to a slave.
I am poor, but I will pay it. I will work, work.
Until I go from weariness, from my privileges. For my alien of my right to be free.
Bago tayo. Si Sisa.
But if you will not grant me this, if you will not grant me this last request, this ultimate demand, then build the wall around your home. Build it! Build it high! Build it strong! Take the safety of every parapet. For I will walk in silence these 300 years. Build love in the night when you are feasting. With my pride and my follow at your door. And God have mercy on your soul. Land of bondage, land of the free, by Raul Manglapos.
Ano masasabi mo, Manam? Ano masasabi mo? Ang galing. Si Sisa, nakita mo yung Sisa.
Wala na yun!
Panalo sila? Oh, sige. Sorry.
Wala na.
Astig si